Swan. The term swan typically refers to a large aquatic bird belonging to the family Anatidae. Which also includes ducks and geese. Swans are known for their graceful appearance, long necks, and their tendency to swim in lakes, ponds, and rivers. Here are some key points about swans. Species. There are several species of swans. But the most well-known are the mute swan, Cygnus olor. The trumpeter swan, Cygnus buccinator, and the tundra swan, Cygnus columbianus. Appearance. Swans are large birds with long necks. Typically measuring between 4 and 5 feet, 1.2 to 1.5 meters, in length. They have white feathers and often have a distinctive knob or bump on their bill. Habitat. Swans are found in various habitats. Including freshwater lakes, rivers, and estuaries. They are native to North America, Europe, and parts of Asia. Some species also migrate to different regions during specific seasons. Behavior. Swans are known for their elegant swimming and mating displays. They form strong pair bonds and often mate for life. Swans are generally peaceful. But they can become aggressive if they feel threatened or if their nesting area is invaded. Diet. Swans are primarily herbivorous. They feed on aquatic plants, grasses, and grains. They will also consume small aquatic animals like insects, snails, and small fish. Symbolism. Swans are often associated with beauty, grace, and purity in various cultures and mythologies. They are considered symbols of love, fidelity, and loyalty. Conservation. While some swan populations are stable, others face threats such as habitat loss, pollution, and hunting. conservation efforts are in place to protect swans and their habitats. It's important to note that this information is based on general knowledge about swans. Please subscribe our channel.